The pin machine seated leg extension trains the quadriceps, more specifically in their short to mid position. However, leaning back can train the rectus femoris in its lengthened position. This is because it's the only quadriceps muscle which crosses the hip. To set up, there are 4 adjustments to make on the machine. The first is the back pad. We want the pad in a position that lines our knee joint up with the machine's axis of rotation. You can set the pad back a little further, allowing you to lean back and deepen the stretch on the rec fem. Secondly, adjust the shin roller so it sits on the front of your lower shin. Feet should be straight and hip width, with your ankle, knees, and hips in a straight line. Thirdly, we need to adjust the sundial. We want to set this as low as possible to get a bigger stretch on the quadriceps and increase our range of motion. Lastly, grab onto the handles, pulling yourself down into the seat. You can use lifting straps to hold on, or even better, use a seat belt to anchor you in. For the action, on the concentric, simply extend your knee, getting a nice squeeze at the top. On the eccentric, bend your knee with control, getting a nice stretch in your quads. For proper alignment, with the correct setup, the machine should do all the work. Just ensure that you keep your toes pointing up throughout.